Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create shortcut to translate text on iPhone. Let's go ahead and start by opening our shortcuts application. If you don't see it somewhere in here, what you can do is just scroll down and type here shortcut. You should be able to see it something like this. And yeah, from here, I'm just going to go back to all shortcuts and then click the plus sign right here. And we can go to the search actions and type here input. I'm going to go ahead and click ask for input. And then for the prompt, I'm going to show here enter text to translate. And then I'm going to go ahead and click this one, search another input, and then translate here again. I'm going to go ahead and click this. And then it's basically going to detect the language which you have added in there. You have the option to change it, but yeah, I just put detect language right there. Two, you can change this one. I'm going to say ask each time and then click search another action. We're going to go ahead and look for a quick look. Basically, this just shows the translated text. So show translated text in quick look. From there, I'm going to go ahead and type on the quick look right here, rename it. And let's say, for example, I'm going to name this one translate text. You have the option to capitalize it. That would be great. But basically, I'm just adding it something like that. Once you're done with that, you are going to go ahead and click this once again. And you have the option there to choose add to home screen. Click this one. And then for the symbol right here, I want you to choose whatever you preferred, something that'd be easier for you. Click on add right here. And you can see that now it is here. So I'm going to click that one and I'm going to go and type here, how are you? And then click done and choose the language. I'm going to translate it to, say, for example, if I'm going to go ahead and choose Japanese, click that one over there and you can see that now I'm seeing something like this. And again, that's how you're going to create shortcut to translate text on iPhone.